good morning, students. I'm Dr. Madhuri Chatterjee from BBD Government College, Chimanpura. And after a little grammar, we have done some comprehensions. And today I move on to something very interesting and which is part of your textbook. And this is a small little poem, but very powerful. And the title of the poem is Voice of an Unwanted Girl Child. And this is written by Sujata Bhatt. Uh, she taught in the University of Chicago, and but she's there no more. And this particular poem is taken from her poem "My Mother's Way of Wearing a Sari." Uh, I think you will be able to first have a. I'll read the poem and try and see if you can understand. You have the notes also before you. Mother, I am the one you sent away when the doctor told you I would be a girl. In the end, they had to give me an injection to kill me. Before I died, I heard the traffic rushing outside, the monsoon slush, the wind sulking through your city. I would have flushed the neon. No one wanted to touch me except later in the autopsy room. I looked like a sliced pomegranate, the fruit you never touched, Mother. I am the one you sent away when doctor told you I would be a girl. Your second girl afterwards, as soon as you could put on your grass green sari. Afterwards everyone smiled, and now I'll ask to look for me, Mother. Look for me, because I won't come to you in your dreams. Look for me, because I won't be a flower. I won't turn into a butterfly, and I am not part of anyone's song. Look for me, Mother, because this is not God's will. Look for me, Mother, because I smell of formaldehyde, and still I wish you would look for me, Mother. Now there is a repetition of the word look for me, look for me, look for me. And who is this? What is this voice? This is the voice of the unwanted girl child. And in our country, where we have numerous problems of infanticide and female foeticide, um, how do I explain it? It is something which is लड़कियां होते ही उनको मार दिया जाता है, या उनके साथ गलत व्यवहार होता है, या उनकी शादी दे दी जाती है. All these are part of the patriarchal society, and the women, and the poem is using a very strong tone and trying to address these issues which the society faces. And now I start explaining the poem one by one line by line to you. Mother, I am the one you sent away. Now this is sent away. These is in a way referring to the mother who, the moment she gets to know that in her fetus she is carrying a girl, she is going for an abortion, and I would be a girl. In the end, you had to give me an injection to kill me. Now, this is referring, as I said, to the abortion and the girl getting, uh, before she's born, she is, her life is extinguished. She's not allowed to live. Before I died, but now this the very second line is saying before I died. So that means the moment the fetus formed, there is a life in comes within the womb, and the child within the womb, who is a girl, is able to hear the monsoon slush, the monsoon. You understand the monsoon. Monsoon is of course the rain, and the slush is the dirtiness and the water and the muck uh, which happens during the monsoon season. So she is able to hear the traffic outside, she is able to hear the monsoon slush and the wind sulking. Sulking is, एक तरह से नाराज हो जाना. So it's not actually here. The wind is passing through the city, and now these are all the child who is desiring to be born, and the child is able to hear all this, the girl is able to understand all this. But in the next lines it is being said that what are the things the child could have done had she been come, had she arrived on this earth, had she arrived on this world. I could have clutched the neon blue, so I could have clutched I could have touched the sky, and I could have touched the moon, and I could have done so many things, and I would be having a lot of ambitions. No one wanted to touch me. But what happened? No one wanted, nobody looked at the child, nobody saw the child, and the child was almost rejected like a pomegranate. Pomegranate is anar, is a fruit, the fruit that never touched mother. I am the one you sent away. So she was rejected like a fruit. So the embryo was taken out from the mother and it was destroyed. And why it happened? Because mother never wanted a second girl child. And then the mother went away wearing a grass green sari, and everyone smiled and nobody bothered. But I too had dreams. I too wanted to be a flower. I could have turned into a butterfly. And who is this I? I is the girl child. I is the voice of the girl child, the unwanted, the unborn girl child. I am the part of anyone's song. I could have been a part of song. I could have, transformed myself into a butterfly. I could have been so many things. But God brought me to this world. It was God's will that I came. But mother, you destroyed me, and now I smell of formaldehyde, that is a chemical, and I have been thrown into a trash can, and I have been destroyed. And you would look for me, mother. So, try. She's trying to shake the conscience of the mother. She's trying to make the mother realize that what she has done is something very, very wrong. And killing a girl child is wrong because the girls are also equally capable like the boys. They can, and they have shown in the world, in their various professions, that they are equally capable like boys. But the fact is, the patriarchal society where there is always the hegemony of the men, the women's voice is never recognized. And so this is the poem for you. Have a look. And there are small questions I have put with the poem. First, what is the social message conveyed in this poem? What is the social message? That, kindly don't indulge in this kind of a thing. Kindly don't destroy a girl child. Kindly don't kill a girl child. Let them grow wings. Let them fly. Let them come to this earth. Let them create a life of their own. And this is the message, that female foeticide. Now, side is this is a Greek word. Side is killing. So the killing of the female is something very, very wrong. What is meant by gender equality? Second question. Gender equality means men and women, girls and the boys should be raised, and in the same manner they should be given the same kind of opportunities, and they should be allowed to grow and flourish. And that is what is meant by gender equality. But unfortunately, the society is still fighting against it, because abhi bhi kya kaha jata hai, the roses are red and violets are blue. So the boys are, and there is a difference, and so we have to fight this patriarchy. You and me, we have to fight the patriarchy. Now, who is the voice of the poem? The voice of the poem is an unwanted girl child. Why is the mother being addressed by the child? Next question. The mother is being addressed by the child because the mother is going for an abortion to kill the child, to destroy the child. Now, next you have couple of words. Formaldehyde, which is a chemical. Pomegranate is a fruit, which is anar. Autopsy is operation. Slush is the is the combination of mud and water together. Clutched means hold. Sulk means, a little kind of annoyance and angriness. And unwanted is undesired or not required. So I've explained every word to you. Have a look again, read the poem, and this would be a 20-mark question if you get in the examination. Thank you so much, and tomorrow I will be giving you some assignments which you would be doing for the next class. Thank you.